Hello friends, myself Said Ibrahim Shah. Now we are going to discuss about antigens. Now let's move into the topic antigens. In simple term we can say antigen is a molecule that able to generate antibodies in our immune system. So we refer our antigen as AG, that means antibody generator. It must be noted that there are some antigens that do not generate antibodies, but they are also antigens. We see these antigens evoke immune responses when antigens and antibody binds. In our body, we have mostly two types of antigens. One foreign antigen that also known as exogenous, and the other one is self antigen which is also known as endogenous antigen. Must be noted that here all endogenous antigens are not self antigens. The self antigens originated from within the body and it's truly negative selection of T cells that our immune system does not target the self antigens. Now let's see the types of antigen. There are different types of antigen based on the origin. Exogenous antigen. Exogenous antigen also known as foreign antigen or heteroantigen. Exogenous antigens are the external antigens that enter to the body from outside through the process of inhalation or injections. Example, viruses or microorganisms such as bacteria and protozoa, snakeworms, certain proteins in food and compounds of serum and red blood cells from the other individuals. Now, endogenous. Endogenous antigens are generated inside the body due to viral or bacterial infection or cellular metabolisms. Autoantigens. Autoantigens are the self proteins or nucleic acids due to the genetic or environmental alterations get attacked by their own immune systems caused autoimmune diseases. Tumor antigens. It is an antigenic substance present on the surface of tumor cells that induce an immune response in host. Example, MHC molecule 1 and MHC molecule 2. Many tumors develop a mechanism to evade the immune systems of the body. Types of antigen on the basis of immune response. Immunogen. These may be proteins or polysaccharides and can generate an immune response on their own. Hapten. These are non-protein foreign substances that require certain molecules in the immune responses. Structure of an antigen. On the surface of antigens or regions called antigenic determinants that fit and binds to the receptor molecules of complementary structure on the surface of the lymphocyte. The binding of the lymphocyte receptor to the antigen's surface molecule stimulates an lymphocyte to the multiply and initiate an immune responses. The amount of antibody formed in the response of stimulation depends on the kind and amount of antigen involved, the route of entry to the body, and individual characteristics of the host. Now, this is the basic structure of an antigen. Antigens or contains heavy chain and light chain. It also contains two types of regions, variable regions, that is the antigen binding sites, and other one is constant region. Then properties of an antigen. The properties of an antigen are as follows. The antigen should be foreign substance to induce an immune response. The antigens have molecules of 14,000 to 6 lakhs Daltons. The antigens are mainly proteins and polysaccharides. The more chemical complex they are, the more immunogenic they will be. Antigens are species specific. The age influences of immunogenicity. Very young and very old people exhibit very low immunogenicity. Then, adjuvants. In pharmacology, an adjuvant is an drug or other substances or combinations of substance that is used to increase the efficiency or potential of the certain drugs. An adjuvant is the substance that enhances the immune system's response to the presence of an antigen. Adjuvants are commonly used to improve the effectiveness of an vaccine. They are injected alongside an antigen to help the immune system generate antibodies that fight against the antigen. In future, we will discuss more interesting topics. Thank you.